Hey, my name is VandenDool. I'm the production manager here at Hope Bible Church in Oakville. Here at Hope Oakville, we need to cover a lot of ground with our main worship center. We do weddings, we do funerals, classes, and of course we do Sunday morning worship gatherings. We usually have a full band and preaching, so we need to do all of these things very well as a church. The first thing that we upgraded with Soundbox was our PA system. Our old system was giving us a lot of trouble. The coverage wasn't great, a lot of inconsistencies within the room. So we did the PA system and we're very happy with how that covers the room. It's very consistent. Everything is very intelligible now. And we're very happy with that system. We also, after that, did a video wall. We used to have a projector, and that would, of course, be completely washed out when we would light our front line. So now with the LED wall, we're able to see everything, all of our content very clearly when we have the front line lit up, which is fantastic, of course. So after that, we upgraded all of our lighting. Our lighting was building age at the time. It was quite old, quite outdated as well. We had something like 42 Lecos lighting the stage. It wasn't very efficient for us, so we approached Soundbox and they gave us some recommendations, and we were able to come up with a brand new lighting package that has served our needs quite well as well. Everything is very clearly lit, and it looks great both in the room and on our live broadcast. The response to all of these upgrades has been fantastic. From a audio, visual, and lighting perspective, everything is much more clear. Everything looks and sounds much better in person and on the live stream, and we're very happy with how everything has turned out. So in addition to all of the things that we have done in the main worship center, we also host a lot of classes and conferences in other rooms in our church. The needs are massive for these spaces because they need to be used for maybe 1 week for overflow, and then the next day it could be used for a class that requires live audio as well and video support. So these rooms need to be quite versatile. So in order to make all these classrooms function efficiently and properly for our purposes, Soundbox installed Q-Sys into these classrooms. And what it does is it provides a centralized and simplified way of distributing audio and video for all of our classrooms. Q-Sys has been a major upgrade for us. It's allowed us to basically make these rooms usable for the average person. So anyone, including any one of our teachers or guests, can come in and hit a couple of buttons and the room can be ready for their use for whatever purpose that they need it for. It's been great to work with Soundbox on all of these projects. They are extremely helpful, very knowledgeable. They were able to meet all of our needs, very responsive, just very professional. And I would definitely recommend, if you have audiovisual upgrades that you need to have done to your church, absolutely work with Soundbox.